Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're heading out to the lake, Lake Okanagan, for Appies with Chappy by the lake, so check it out. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So today we're doing some Hawaiian Kaluha Pork tacos. So I got a nice pork shoulder blade roast. So bone in. I like the bone in because there's flavor. So now Authentic Kaluha Pork in Hawaii, of course they put it in the ground and they get that smoke flavor, and they wrap it in tea leaves. That's tea leaves spelled T-I. And so basically it gets flavor from three things: smoke, salt, and the tea leaves. So I don't have any tea leaves, but I'm gonna wrap it in banana leaves. Now, first up, to get the smoke, I'm gonna actually just heavily season it with sea salt. Now, if you can get Hawaiian sea salt, that's much better. This is actually Mediterranean sea salt. So I'm gonna aggressively salt it. I'm gonna smoke it in my smoker with applewood for 2 hours. I think they have their own specific hardwood that they use in Hawaii when they put it underground. But we're just making do with what we have. So we're going to do the applewood and the banana leaves instead of the tea leaves. Now, if you don't have a smoker at home, you can skip the smoking step and just put a little bit of the salt and liquid smoke on it, and then wrap it in the banana leaves and put it in the slow cooker. So that's essentially what I'm going to do. I'm going to aggressively salt it, smoke it for 2 hours, then wrap it in banana leaves, put it in my slow cooker, and we're going to slow cook it with the banana leaves and a little bit of my homemade stock for at least 4 or 5 hours till it gets nice and tender. So all I'm going to do now is just season it with the sea salt before it goes on the smoker. Now, in both cases, when I put it in the smoker, I'm going to do the fat side up so the fat renders down. And then when I wrap it in the banana leaves, it's going to look like I have the fat side down. I'm going to wrap the banana leaves, but then I'm going to put it upside down in the slow cooker again, so the fat renders down. All right. So again, I'm just aggressively salting it with the sea salt. And we're going to get that on in the smoker. So I'm just aggressively salting it with the sea salt. And we're going to get that in the smoker for 2 hours. Then we're going to bring it back, wrap it in the banana leaves, and put it in the slow cooker for another 4 to 6 hours. All right, I got the smoker going. I set it to about 300 degrees. I'm not too worried about the cooking time because I'm not worried about the internal temperature because it's going to have another 6 hours in the slow cooker. And again, we want to do it fat side up so the fat renders down. All right, there she be. We're going to smoke it in applewood for 2 hours at 300 degrees. Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got my Kaluha pork taco. We just need a drink to go with that. I'm going to do a very easy watermelon margarita. Just get a little bit of ice in the cocktail shaker. We'll go 1 ounce of tequila blanco, an ounce of Cointreau, and then we're going to do the juice from 1 whole fresh lime. If your limes aren't that juicy, you can give them a roll, sort of break up the membrane, and then if they're still not juicy, just zap them in the microwave for like a good 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, and to make it a watermelon margarita, I have some Blackstone watermelon liqueur. So we'll go a good 2 ounces of that. And we'll give that a little shake up. And I think I'm just gonna dirty dump it into my martini glass today. And I got a nice fresh piece of watermelon as a garnish. And that, my friends, is watermelon margarita to go with my Kaluha pork tacos. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar. Ty.